May I see your passport? May I see your passport?
May I see your passport? Here it is. Here it is. Here it is.
What flight did you arrive on? What flight did you arrive on? What flight did you arrive on?
It was VJ 375. It was VAJ 375. It was VJ 375.
How long are you going to be here? How long are you going to be here? How long are you going to be here?
I'm going to be here for 2 months. I am going to be here for 2 months. I'm going to be here for 2 months.
Where are you going to be staying? Where are you going to be staying? Where are you going to be staying?
I will be staying in Halong Hotel. I will be staying in Halong Hotel. I will be staying in Halong Hotel.
What's the purpose of your visit? What is the purpose of your visit? What's the purpose of your visit?
I'm going on a tour.
I am going on a tour.
I'm going on a tour.
I'm going on business.
I am going on business.
I'm going on business.
I'm a tourist here for sightseeing. I am a tourist here for sightseeing. I'm a tourist here for sightseeing. I'm visiting relatives. I am visiting relatives. I'm visiting relatives.
What is your relationship with them? What is your relationship with them? What is your relationship with them?
She's my sister. She is my sister. She's my sister.
Where are you arriving from? Where are you arriving from? Where are you arriving from?
I'm from Vietnam. I am from Vietnam. I'm from Vietnam.
Are you going alone? Are you going alone? Are you going alone?
Yes, I'm alone. Yes, I'm alone. Yes, I'm alone. No, I'm going with friends. No, I am going with friends. No, I'm going with friends.
May I? Your papers. May I? Your papers. May I? Your papers.
Yes, here it is. Yes, here it is. Yes, here it is.
Please, state your full name, age, and nationality. Please, state your full name, age, and nationality. Please, state your full name, age, and nationality.
My name is Tran Hao Nam. I'm 30 years old, and I'm Vietnamese.
My name is Tran Hao Nam. I'm 30 years old, and I'm Vietnamese. How much money did you bring with you? How much money did you bring with you? How much money did you bring with you?
$500. $500.
Do you have any valuables or alcohol to declare? Do you have any valuables or alcohol to declare? Do you have any valuables or alcohol to declare?
No, I don't. No, I don't.
How much luggage do you bring? How much luggage do you bring? How much luggage do you bring?
I bring 2 suitcases and 1 backpack. I bring 2 suitcases and 1 backpack. I bring 2 suitcases and 1 backpack.
Could you open your bag, please? Could you open your bag, please? Could you open your bag, please?